Being smart on crime is what my administration will do. Being smart on crime allows us to look at the underlying issues in which crime is occurring. Looking specifically at the mental health issue, we will offer a mental health diversion program, which will allow us to deal with the underlying issue. 40% of the folks that are in the Wyandotte County Jail have been diagnosed with some type or form of mental illness. The mental health diversion program will be for low-level, nonviolent folks who have been diagnosed with mental illness. We have to really begin to look at the root of the issue rather than simply throwing everyone in the same pool. One size does not fit all. Many of the folks who are dealing with mental illness all across this community, we all know them. They are wonderful folks and law-abiding citizens when they receive their medication and receive their treatment. The mental health diversion program will connect these folks with the resources right here in our community that will make sure that they have their medication and receive the treatment that they need. And if they follow all of the treatment programs, then they will be diverted to the assistance that they need rather than throwing them in the jail. How does this help this community? It helps the community, one, because it makes the community safer, and it helps that individual become a law-abiding citizen and connects them with the resources that they need that they may not have known was available. Number two, it makes it safer for our law enforcement who are trained in crisis intervention training, which is training to de-escalate an issue when they approach someone that's dealing with mental health issues. I believe that this will continue to assist in making sure that the folks who are out there that are dealing with these type of issues are not homeless and are not on the street. It will continue to help those officers in that area. And then lastly, it helps with the taxpayers. We're paying $92 per day. With an additional $30,000 a month for the folks who are in our county jail with mental illness for their medication. There's a better way. And the better way is simply looking at the real issues. Stop overlooking it. Let's be realistic. What is the problem? Let's diagnose it. Let's deal with it. The mental health diversion is a better way. And a vote for Dupree is being smart on prosecution.